Hey everyone, it's Miss Wilson coming back to you for this year again, 2020-2021, as your art teacher. Once again, I'm so looking forward to y'all this year, and I know we're going to have a super awesome year. And I'm going to today walk you through how to do a lesson for art, and I'm going to show you the screens and give you a little bit of tips and hints and things like that that might help you. So I'm going to share my screen and hopefully this all works well because having a few issues, but once again, it's the computer, so I'm going to blame it on the computer this year. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you. All right. Awesome. And here we go. And you will see right here at the top, it's Art Lab. This one says first grade, but don't worry about that. You'll see yours in a minute. And there's my cool little Bitmoji. I love it. All right, so right here it says kindergarten. Then we have show more. You want to go to show more because everything's in here. I'm not quite sure why, but it is. So I'm going to go here to third grade. I'm going to start with third grade. So here's third grade art cycle 1, week 1. And what you want to do is you want to click on this start button. This is what's going to start everything for you. So I'm going to click on the start button, and it's going to tell me introduction to the art room. In this lesson, students will watch a video tour of an art room and draw an art room. Sketchbook will be created and is to be used throughout the year so we can keep track of your artwork and see how much you all progress, because I know you do. From the beginning of the year to the end, you do a super awesome job. All right, so I want to go over here, this little arrow, and it says go to the next resource. So I'm going to click on it. And I put a read aloud in here, and to get to that, you're just going to click on this, and it's going to take me to this cool little Tumble books. I love Tumble books. If you haven't checked them out, check out Tumble books. They have chapter books. They have all kinds of books from the little kids all the way up to you guys, older kids. So if I just click on it, it's going to start. It's called Art Supplies. It's a cute little story. Okay. So now I'm going to go back here to the read aloud, and then I'm going to click on this arrow button again to go to my next resource. And it takes a minute. It's a little slow sometimes. Okay. Welcome to the art room. It goes through all these things right here. Target objectives, define academic vocabulary. There's some pictures, check for understanding, art for fun, art on the web, all kinds of cool things, video, this virtual museum visits you can do. Awesome stuff to do. Just love it. Okay, so then I'm going to go to my next resource. And it says, welcome to the art room. Now, we have this really cool feature on here, and I love it. Sometimes it's been working really well. Sometimes it's getting a little slow. It's called Immersive Reader, and I'm going to click on it. And it's going to pull up what we were just looking at. Now, if I click down here, it's going to read it to me. Okay. Now, for some of us, we might not read English as our first language. We may speak Spanish. So I'm going to go over here to choose a language, and I'm going to go down until I find Spanish. And I'm not Swedish, so that won't work for me. I'm going to click on Spanish, and I'm going to go to I'm going to click this little document right here, and it's going to change this whole document to Spanish. And once again, I can click on this little button right down here, and it's going to okay. And once again, I can go back up here to this reading preference, this little book that looks like it's open. Click on it, and I can go back to change it back to English. I can go Polish. I can go all kinds of languages. We got a lot of languages here that we can read in. I'm going to go back to English, which is United States English. And once it goes back to that. Okay. And I'm going to click right there, and it takes me back. I don't know why it took me back. It shouldn't have taken me all the way back. But okay, I must have hit a wrong button. It happens. So once again, I'm going to go here, I'm going to start again. And just once again, you're going to do your arrow button to get where you need to be. And if you hear a little snoring in the background, it's not me, it's my dog. Sorry. She snores a little bit. Okay. And I think I went too far. Let me see. Okay. There's the assignment. It tells you what to do and gives you some questions to answer. And if I want to answer the questions, I'm going to go down here to answer assignment and click on it. And it's going to pull up a text box where I can type in my answer. Or if I want to type it somewhere else and I want to drop it, I can drop it and add the files right here. Once I'm done, I'm going to submit it. Or if I'm kind of in the middle of it and I'm not finished, but I want to save it and I don't want to lose it, I'm going to hit save as draft. I'm going to go ahead and cancel because I'm not doing it right now. All right, then I'm going to go to the next resource. And Art Room Sketch, so once again, I'm going to answer the assignment again. Type it out. And you got the Immersive Reader right here again. If you need it, it is there for you. Oh, I think I should have canceled out there. Let me see if I got to go back. Okay. Anyhow, okay. So then here's create a sketchbook. It gives you the directions of how to do it. I'm so sorry. How to do it. If you don't have the materials here, you can just get some paper, put it in a binder, take some paper, staple it together, keep it all together, because we're going to do a sketchbook so we can see how your artwork has progressed from the beginning of the year to the end of the year, because I know y'all do an awesome job all year long. All right, then I'm going to go to the next one. Here's the assignment. It tells you what to do. Goes through it. Once again, here's your answer, your assignment at the bottom. Now you notice my arrow's not dark right here. That means it's done. We're at the end of this. So now for 3rd through 5th grade, you have to answer all these questions. And you can do a few at a time, but it has to be done by October 16th. All of those questions have to be answered from y'all all the way. You have all the way till October 16th to get them all done. Once again, you have your Immersive Reader right here if you need it. And I'm going to click to close out this plan. So you can see that was 3rd grade, 4th grade's gonna, and you can look right here. If you just want to go to one of these, you can just click on it and it's going to take me where I need to go. So I don't have to go through the whole start process. If I don't want, I can just find what I want right here and click on it. So if I decide I just want to do one thing at a time, I can click where I want. There's 4th grade, same thing, and then there's 5th grade. And here's me going, welcome back, everybody. All right, I'm going to end up stopping sharing my screen. I am looking forward to an awesome year this year. I'm wearing my Finding Dory dress. You got an email right there, of course. And I am looking forward to having an awesome year with you guys this year. I cannot wait. If you have any questions or anything, please drop a line in the chat. This video is going to be posted underneath my stuff that I've just left. And once again, I welcome you all back, and I am just looking forward to it for an awesome, awesome year, you guys. Okay? I will see you later. Bye.